Welcome back to Indiana Weather Online. I am Ryan. This is another forecast update video for the YouTube channel. As always, if this is your first time watching, feel free to hit the like button here in the video as well as the red subscribe button. It is both free to do and it helps us out a lot. And subscribing to the channel also ensures that you don't miss forecast videos from us. So feel free to follow along as we build our YouTube channel. Looking at the temperature forecast today, we're going to talk about some showers, some storms, and also the 7-day outlook here in this video. Starting with the temperature forecast for today, that warm front is moving north once again, a stalled frontal boundary across the state. It's splitting the north half a little bit cooler, the south half is warmer, but the good news is the latest guidance here does shove that warm front up into Michigan, so it does increase the entire outlook of temperatures today across Indiana. So up by Gary and Angola and Fort Wayne areas, you guys are going to be solidly in the 60s today. Here is 3 p.m. today. We're seeing almost 80 degrees, if not over 80 down by Evansville and Corydon areas, but further north there, mid 60s. Very pleasant day on tap here for the state of Indiana. But notice, here's 5 p.m. As I push this into sunset, notice how we have what looks to be a front kind of pushing into Illinois, and that is because we do have a cold front back here, as well as that warm front draped across the area. That is going to spark off some showers and storms, primarily for our friends to our west here in Illinois, and especially Missouri and Arkansas. The SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, does have severe risks off to our west. And the orange there across Missouri, that's the highest risk. That's level 3 out of 5 enhanced. Could see strong tornadoes out there, as well as damaging winds and large hail. Also in that yellow, that's a level 2 slight risk over in toward the central Illinois area. And then in the darker green colors, that does extend close to the Indiana border, but does not currently include the state of Indiana. So there's currently no severe risk for the state of Indiana tonight. We are in a general thunderstorm risk here, and light green means just general non-severe storms can be expected. So let's go ahead and break down timing of this. So here's the cold front. We're going to see this is after midnight now, 1 a.m. Eastern time. We're going to see that front push our way with it. If I switch over here to the radar, we're going to notice there's a line of showers and storms. Back it up here, back to the afternoon hours that develops here. It's going to push our way here. This at this time frame right here is 9 p.m. Eastern tonight. A line of likely severe storms is pushing into Missouri, into Illinois, our direction, but notice how they do die and they start to weaken here as these move in toward our state line. This is at midnight here. We could have some pop-up showers ahead of the line here, especially toward Gary, Lafayette areas, maybe down here by Muncie and Richmond areas as well. Could see some pop-up showers. Those are not expected to be severe or strong in nature. They just should be general thunderstorms, maybe some small hail, maybe some brief non-severe gusty winds. The main concern is going to be back here with this line. As this pushes into the state here, this is at midnight. Here is 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4. Whoops, that's where the model stops. I'm going back this up one more here so I can get you guys the full outlook. There we go. Here is 3 a.m., here's 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. and that's pushing out of the state here with just some lingering showers and storms around for your sunrise around 7 or 8 a.m. Now, I will highlight there is no severe potential expected with this line, but gusty winds will be occurring. Switch it over here to the wind map. There is your wind map here. All the green color is 35 to 40 plus mile per hour winds, especially across the central and northern part of the state. As that line pushes through overnight into the early parts of Monday morning, it will bring gusty winds with it. So do keep in mind that even though the severe weather is not expected, the line will usher in some gustier winds here and likely some cooler temperatures as well to start your Monday. Overall, again, no severe weather is expected. But of course, we're going to watch it as we always do here at IWO. I have updates on the pages if anything does happen to be strong or severe in the small chance it does. So jumping now from the topic of tonight into tomorrow morning into the 7-day outlook here. We break down every Sunday evening at 7 p.m. on the Facebook page, but also do this in video form as well. Your 7-day outlooks here for northern, central, and southern Indiana. So northern Indiana zone is north of Kokomo. The central zone is between Martinsville and Kokomo, and the southern zone is south of the Martinsville area. So looking at the 7-day forecast here, warmth, 60s, 70s, and low 80s, the expectation here. We could have some lingering showers there, especially further east toward the Ohio state line to start our Monday, but that should dry out very quickly. And a cloudier, maybe some sun later in the day, but mostly cloudy Mondays in store here for northern Indiana. The next 3 days, very pleasant, warmish, milder, 70, 79, 81. Your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday forecasts there. And then Friday is a day to watch for some more rain chances, maybe a storm further south. We'll have to keep an eye on that, and we'll have updates. It's a little bit too far out to get specific, but Friday could be a day to watch for some rain and or storms. And the weekend, a much pleasanter, cloudy. I misspelled cloudy there. I need to go fix that. But mostly cloudy skies Saturday. Then mostly sunny skies for Sunday. A very, very pleasant week on tap. And it's kind of follows suit all along the central part of the state here as well. We're going to see full sun here next 4 days. Again, on Monday, because some lingering rain showers further east toward the Ohio border to start the day. But a transition to a more sunny and a little bit more cooler. 66 degrees there for a high. And then 74, 80, and 81 the next 3 days there. And again, Friday, watching the storm chance, a cloudy Saturday, and then Sunday should be a rebound back to more pleasant weather. Finally, for southern Indiana, we do have the outlook here for you guys. Similar pattern here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, having some brief periods of, Monday morning, again, a brief period of rain there, but then a sunny end, a sunny Tuesday, a sunny Wednesday there. Could see some thunderstorms on Thursday in the evening hours, and then Friday as well could see some general thunderstorms, followed by a cloudy Saturday and then a more pleasant Sunday. So going through the week, it's very pleasant, minimal rain chances minus Monday morning and then the Friday time frame. Other than that, a very pleasant week upcoming for the state. I'm Ryan. This has been another forecast update video. Feel free to follow along here. We'll do this every single day we can here on YouTube. So if you do not want to miss a forecast, feel free to hit subscribe and the like button for us. I will catch you guys tomorrow for another update video. You guys have a great Easter.